Previously on Roses and Daggers.
What's wrong?
What do you see in her? She's my sister, yes. But she's a devil.
Oh, my profitable investment! How are you?
Are you not pregnant?
No, I'm not. Why would you even think a thing like this?
She's obviously lying.
Doesn't his wife cook him meals?
And what are you?
Me, I'm not going anywhere. Me, I'm not.
Yabanuka?
Dada, you better return whatever you took from that man. You better.
You don't know the sacrifices I make for
It's
you.
okay.
You want to know the truth, huh?
Yes, I want to know the truth. What is the truth? Tell me. Go on.
I aborted it. I aborted it last week. Are you satisfied? You found out too late. Now will you please both get off my back?
Valerie, this is the wrong time to call.
Benson, what the hell is going on?
We will speak very soon, okay? I promise you. But for now, we should try and stay clear of each other.
Joshua was fighting with Benson at the conference center, right in the glare of the media.
You don't have any right. You don't have...
Valerie, speak to your men and leave me out of this.
Come on, honey. I wouldn't want to put my family business out there. I wouldn't want my kids hearing about my marital issues on TV like this.
And if I were you, I would slap myself to wake up from this endless dose of stupidity that has taken you prisoner.
So she's suffering from post-traumatic stress?
Of course, it looks like it.
Are you sure?
Didn't we both read the thing? I'm not a doctor, am I?
So what's next?
Tell your mom.
I will only get the old woman worried.
She must. It's her daughter. Come on, let's go.
You're gonna kill me.
I know. That guy was so hilarious.
What was in his mouth?
I know.
Oh,
It
my
was
goodness.
just so funny.
Hey, you awake?
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
I'm gonna take my...
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Let me see it. Oh. Ah, oh my goodness.
Oh, I thought it was Val.
What are you doing here, Anita?
I've been waiting for Valerie, Mommy. I've called her several times, but she's not picking up. I'm a little worried.
I'm sure she's fine. I didn't see your car outside.
Zach is going to pick me up.
Okay.
My car broke down.
Oh,
Can I help you?
no, thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
So how's your day?
Not bad. Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Did you just get in?
Yes.
And how was your day?
Wasn't bad. How about yours?
Okay. Did you perchance read any of the newspapers today?
Are you referring to your sudden rise to fame this morning?
Yes, actually I am.
Well, I can't believe that arrant nonsense. I mean, in fact, whoever put up those stories,
Which one?
that a mother and a daughter must be... In fact, it's too distasteful for me to even repeat it.
It is. Malik. Do you worry about me at all?
I don't understand.
Well, when these issues came up, I received calls from friends. Even Muti called to find out whether I was holding up.
Betty,
What? Am I being petty? Tell me and I'll drop it right now.
no, you are not. But you know, I trust you. I thought that should be enough. Alright?
Where does trust suffice in this?
Betty, I know you are not involved in any of these allegations.
Of course. You'd have been a fool to believe any of that. But that's not quite what I'm asking you. You know, this morning, the president called me. And I was afraid my job was on the line. My reputation is at stake because I'm on the news for all the wrong reasons. And you read all the reports. And you didn't think that sending me a common text to find out how I was doing was necessary?
I thought that should be enough. Betty, my darling, I'm sorry, okay?
That's it?
Look, if it's any help, I have so much confidence in you. I know my wife. I know things like this doesn't get you down. That is why I'm not worried.
Would have been nice to know my husband was there lending me his support.
But I was.
I didn't know, Malik. I didn't know.
You know what? I'll do better next time, okay?
Are you leaving?
Yes. I'm sorry about that.
What?
I didn't know you had a guest.
That's alright.
Are you two dated?
Val.
Come on, I'm just asking. I know I was a little crazy this afternoon. You're right. I need much more time for myself before I make any decisions. Thank you.
Right.
I'll see you around, yeah?
Yep.
So where are you coming from?
Anita's.
Really?
Really?
Where were you? I was worried.
Joshua's?
So why did you have to lie about that?
I don't know.
Did something happen between you two?
Is there anything else for you to worry about?
Something did happen.
What makes you so sure?
When you begin to beat around the question.
Really?
Wow. Valerie, tell me what really happened.
Nothing happened.
Oh, you liar.
I'm telling you the truth. Nothing happened.
Why are you holding out on me?
I kissed him.
And?
Nothing happened. He pulled away. He seems to think he has a thing for me. He doesn't.
But that can't be right. That guy is still into you.
Well, you're wrong. I almost made a fool out of myself today.
But what were you doing kissing another man when you just broke up with another?
I don't know.
Did you really break up with him?
Yes, I did.
Oh. Sorry.
Oh, come on.
You'll be fine.
Yeah.
Hello. Is there a problem?
Actually, no. There's something I think you need to know about.
Okay.
Valerie broke up with that idiot.
Oh, thank God. Been a long time coming.
Exactly what I was thinking.
Is she okay? Do I have to go and talk to her?
No, she's fine. She's fine. You know, she's one power girl.
Okay. So what do you want to talk about?
What do you think about Joshua and Valerie getting back together?
I'm not sure I know what you're asking me.
Valerie went to Joshua's right after she broke up with Benson, Mummy, and they kissed.
Okay.
Just see how Joshua is all uptight about Valerie. If you ask me, I'm not saying he's a saint. But Mummy, he cares too much to just be a concerned friend.
I'm still not following.
These two need to be together. They deserve each other. They're just so stubborn to realize that they love each other, Mummy.
Oh, okay. So you're asking me to be a matchmaker?
Together, Mummy. Won't that be great?
I have too much on my plate to play matchmaker.
Mummy, these two...
Anita, find something worthwhile with your time. Okay?
Hi, babe. Yes. Come to the living room. Okay. It's Zach.
Okay.
Val, I'm going. You sure you'll be okay?
Yep, I'll call you later.
Okay. Bye.
What do you think you're doing?
They are just clothes. They are not heavy.
I know, but you're not supposed to carry anything around. Talk less of going to the shop and buying stuff, and stop being impulsive.
Zach, I'm not being anything. I'm not being impulsive.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Zach.
Good evening, Mom.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good. And thank you so much for being here.
Oh, that's a pleasure.
Have a good night.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'll see you
Okay, darling.
later. Have a good night.
You too. Take care of yourself.
Yo, ke mi ado gbenami.
Ayo to agbenava.
Yo, ke mi hondi.
Ndi mi afamo.
Edo.
Evinyo.
Oli.
Womo ha. Odo nwe.
Odo. Ah, mi afomoto.
Odo.
Yo ha.
Oli.
Womo ha.
Odo. Aleke mi ofonya. Mi awezo ha.
Yo. Yo, ote.
Ofon.
Kene si ya. Ode mi anovi ogbo. Be mi la fofo reke ji o. Ke abale won to nya le be nke karova mi denu ji ko kloji na wa. Ke ipa foji ko mi le lo.
Yo, chichi o me de ku mi sia.
Ayo, miesi.
Yo, gakpere he mangu a abalo le de konu mene a. Ale be mi cho fuji haro. Ko mi cho fuji haro va mi anovia gome ropelo.
Me de ku mi sia.
Miesi lo. Sino ba akpanao. Wo we fo gbe wo gbe. Mi hwe ko, mi hwe de po man ko ma lo.
Kene mi ga si ya. Chichi onyana ka ke biana mi ha be. Eyo ole kafiare. Ye ka ye mi mi anko sege ne mi anyale mi he zozo ge ha.
Abala ka gomana.
Alebe oba for royo lo shi ne wa na mi azore ji a.
Ama goma ya gboma jijio. Mia ho are mia. Ablali je dari hafi mi vata.
Yo akpe. Ayo ke ote na sina obe nyatepe. Agbobe megbe afole. Ta yo wale ka ke mi atro ire megbe. Ko o mi anko sege pielo.
Ayo.
Me de ku mi sia.
Miesi. Kasi no ba o akpana. Wo we fo gbe wo gbe. Ta mi no yin anu mo pon na lo. Mi atro fo nyi.
Yo.
Mi ayo mama ga jiji fun o.
Yo, mi ango ma jiji ga fun.
Apena mi.
Yo.
I should be back in the office by Tuesday. Didn't Patrick send you my itinerary? I'd stay off the Southern Estate and concentrate on the bits. Have you sent out the letters? And published? What are the intents in there for? Use them and get this off the ground already. Don't call me. I expect you to handle this. And I mean it. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Aren't you a little bit too dressed for a 5-hour journey?
Sorry. You might not know who would like to meet us for a formal meeting, sir.
Then, You go for those meetings without me. I have no plans of stepping out until tomorrow morning.
So we have a full confirmation that the Vice President is joining us tomorrow morning.
Okay, just send me the revised speech then.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Are you alright? Oh my god, where are you? What? Of course, I'm ready to see any time. Just come up. Ask Brenda to lay in when you get up, okay? Yes. Yeah? Do you have an idea of the figure we're talking about? You know we can't just go into this for the mere fact that it's a good idea. Of course, that's not what I'm saying. Of course, it's a brilliant idea. We just don't have the capacity to pull out such projects right now. Let the POs come and take the datas, okay? Please. Yeah. Okay, let me just call you back, okay? Hey, what's going on? Look at you. What happened?
I'm fine.
You really got me worried.
The doctor said I was just spotting. I feel so stupid, Val. I've been crying and it's good I didn't call Zach. Imagine me pulling him out of his office for nothing.
I don't need you thinking like this. It's a good thing you went to the hospital. But next time I need you to call me. I don't mind getting silly with you. You got me worried. Come here.
Thank you.
You got me so worried. Have you eaten anything?
No, I'm okay.
I was actually thinking of calling you, you know.
What about?
I wanted you to take me to your hairstylist. But right now, it's not a good idea.
Why not?
You need to rest. Maybe just give me directions. I'll go there myself.
Val, I will take you.
Are you sure?
It's either I die sitting home worrying about this baby, or I go out and do something for myself.
Well, I am driving. Let's just leave.
Suit yourself, but I need to be out of the house.
You need to start taking care of yourself. Let me carry this bag for you.
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Trying to get me worried about you and all. Look at you.
Winifred,
Yes, madam.
nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Please join me.
Thank you. Thank you. I don't think you heard me right. I'm not looking to work for anyone. I want a shop.
Yes, I know. But my offer is still good.
Okay, I'm listening.
I'm relocating with my family. My husband has been transferred to a new region. And I've had this place a very long time. And it's not wise for me to collapse it. I'm thinking of setting up another salon like this in my new neighborhood. And I'm looking for someone to take care of this place for me.
Well, I understand, but you see, I've had my own salon before and I don't think I can work for anyone else.
Are you looking for a facility like this to rent or to buy?
Well, I was thinking to rent in the meantime.
Should I consider renting this facility to you, it will come along with all the equipment, and it will be very expensive.
Well, I understand, but I'm not worried. You see, I'm very, very good at what I do, and I have every confidence that I can repay you within the shortest possible time. I have very big clients, you know.
Excuse me? Are you thinking of taking this facility on credit?
Yes, I was hoping so.
It won't be good for me. But think about my offer again. If you are good at your job, of course, I have to interview you properly first. I have built so much reputation here, and I can't just hand it over to anyone.
I understand. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you too. Thank you.
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your brow, quaint to